Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the case has enough juice. If the LED shows red, plug in now. Once the case reads green or a phone shows 50% plus, open it and remove the earbuds. Press the power or touch briefly to wake them. Many models auto-power when removed. Make sure each earbud pairs by checking blinking lights or phone prompts, because pairing steps differ by brand, so you avoid confusion and save time. You now pair and optimize fit. Enable Bluetooth on your phone, then select the earbud's name. If they don't appear, put them back in the case, close, then open to reset discoverable mode. Once connected, try each ear tip size and perform a seal test by covering the mic. A good seal improves bass and call quality. After that, open the companion app to adjust EQ, noise cancellation, or transparency. These settings change battery life and sound, so balance what matters to you. You finish by charging and maintaining battery health. Place earbuds in the case with contacts aligned and close the lid to initiate charging. LEDs should confirm. Charge the case via USB-C or Qi wireless. Once fully charged, unplug to avoid heat stress. Make sure you don't deep discharge often. Brief top-ups extend lifespan. If charging fails, clean metal contacts, try another certified cable or charger, and perform a factory reset. This fixes most connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.